I'm Jennifer. Welcome to Wreaths Galore Pastel Themed Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all participating channels listed below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I am so excited to show you what I put together for this collaboration. A beautiful tulip basket for spring. This will be perfect for Easter as well. I started off with this beautiful wooden box that I ordered from Amazon. I ordered one for my friend as well, so it came in a 2-pack. It's a really nice, real wood, whitewash finish. Then I just added some styrofoam. I had extra styrofoam from a packing box, and I put it right in the bottom, right across the middle of this box. I chose to use pink, white, and yellow tulips in this beautiful display box. I just poked them right into the styrofoam, as well as these beautiful sprigs of white styrofoam berries. These tulips are longer and they just droop over so nicely. After putting in all of the tulips and the beautiful little sprigs, I added some Easter eggs hidden in the grass. As you can see, all along underneath, and to cover up the styrofoam, I have hidden Easter eggs that are just styrofoam eggs, also from the craft store. It was so much fun putting this together, and as you can see, this is a really large display. It's all I need on this buffet table. It takes up the entire center as a beautiful centerpiece. It was so easy to make, and I also added this greenery right to the bottom. This is just some really soft natural greenery to fill in and to make this flower planter have a nice real effect. It's just like a little bit of ivy that would be growing out in a flower bed or out in the wilderness right underneath the beautiful tulips. It didn't take any time at all to put together. Anyone can put together a display just like this. As you can see, it's so beautiful on the side table in my dining room. I am so happy with the way this turned out. On each end of the flower planter, I added these little white flowers. They're so dainty and soft and definitely remind me of spring. They fill in so nicely and fill the end of the box, right underneath the tulips. I am so happy and grateful you are here for this collaboration. Be sure to check out all participating channels listed below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.